Hexavalent chromium compounds are highly toxic and must be handled only with the proper PPE. Please do not try this at home. Let's get started. These tiny orange crystals are ammonium dichromate. It is a powerful oxidizer used in photography, oil purification, in dyeing fabrics, and in tanning leather. Like ammonium nitrate, it is thermodynamically unstable. Its decomposition reaction proceeds to completion once initiated, producing falling ash of green chromium oxide. The reaction starts at 356 degrees Fahrenheit and becomes self-sustaining at approximately 437 degrees Fahrenheit. The phenomenon resembles the eruption of a volcano, hence the name Vesuvius Fire. Let's take a closer look. The volcano gets taller and taller until there is no fuel left. Then it appears to go dormant. Is Vesuvius Fire a fitting name? Let us know in the comments. Now let's put it in a bottle. Make sure to use borosilicate glass and go easy with the torch. Otherwise, you'll end up with a molten glass volcano, an uncontained fire, and a destroyed beaker. It fogs up with steam at first, but quickly clears for a better view. Let's get a better look. As the decomposition progresses, the expelled chromium oxide piles up around it like falling ash. It doesn't decompose completely, so you'll notice little pockets of orange crystals while cleaning up. So wear proper PPE during cleanup. Chromium oxide is relatively safe and is frequently used to make dyes, pigments, and glazes. It can also be smelted with steel, which reduces it to chromium metal to form the alloy, stainless steel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe. See you next time.